Hello there. Let me show you some advices how to start working with Togal AI. Right after you log in, you will be greeted with the main dashboard. There you will have your projects, and on the top of the screen there's a ribbon where you can find the Learn button. You should start with the onboarding video, getting started here in the Learning Hub. As you can see, you can watch this short video about the basic functionality of the software. And also you can sign up for free to the Togal Academy, which is a comprehensive course that teaches you how to use Togal AI. This will walk you through all the features the software has, and this will help you to jump right into the work in Togal AI. Also, there are office hours. These are free to join sessions to watch one of Togal's tutors introducing some features to the beginners. These sessions are held every day at 4 p.m. and 10 p.m. based on the Eastern European time, that you can select other time zones as well, depending on where you live. So if you click on join session, you can choose a day when you want to participate, and you can choose the time as well. The next thing to do is to enter your name and email address and press on the schedule event button. And when you press that, you will get an email with an invitation to that specific session. So anytime when you have questions regarding to any of the Togal's features, you can join in and ask your questions freely. And one other thing, we have the help center with useful links. And when you click on the getting started and onboarding tag, you can find written tutorials on how to do things in Togal. So if you don't really like to talk in person, you also have these pages to read the instructions on how to use this software. So this is our honest opinion. To have the best experience with Togal AI, you should always start with the onboarding video and the Togal Academy. It takes up an hour at max, but you will get a lot more insight to the in and outs of the software. And again, we highly recommend going through every lesson in Togal Academy, even if some of the topics do not seem relevant to you at first. By doing so, you will become familiar with every feature available in the platform, and you may even discover alternative ways to use certain tools and functionalities. In other words, you might find creative ways to leverage Togal beyond its original intended use cases. However, to unlock that potential, it is important not to skip any of the content available in the Togal Academy. So these are our advices for all of you beginner Togal users. Hope you find this short video helpful, and see you in the next one.